Namaste, I am Javian Diksha Saxena, Assistant Professor of Journalism Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In the last video, we have learned what is advertising and what importance of advertisements. Today, we will continue these topics: the significance of reach, frequency, and continue in media planning. So, media planning means devising a program in such a manner as optimally use the advertising space, the broadcast time, or other advertising media in exposing our advertiser's message to potential consumer. There are basically three concepts that are generally incorporated in most planning process. Reach. First is reach. Advertisement are mainly interested in percentage of the total market that they can reach their messages through the media in given area of coverage. Reach refers to the total number of household that we expose to message through a particular media vehicle over a set of period time. This media of time may have vary from advertiser to advertiser, but generally 4 weeks to consider educate offer selection calculation of purpose. Reach is usually expressed as a percentage of the total number of household in the prescribed area that have been exposed to the advertising messages. For example, if there are a total number of household and 200 of them these have been exposed to the message, then the reach is calculated to the one fifth of or 20%. Objective of greater research, greater reach. The purpose of reach is optimal exposure. The idea behind the strategy for greater reach is that the advertisement be received by as many people as in the first instance. A strategy for greater would be desirable under the following like circumstances. Just like we can say, when a new product is introduced the India sorry the new product is introduced to the idea is initially expose the product to as wide an audience as possible, irrespective of whether they immediately remember to the product or not. When introducing a new use for the product in other expanded its share the market. If products is already known but new aspect of products needs to be advertised, then greater reach is desirable. For example, if a well established brand of toothpaste adds a mouthwash ingredients to it, it would call greater reach so as inform a wide audience about the additional features. When seeking to increase the recognition of the company through the campaign or promote the image of the company. For example, the advertising campaigns of Godrej made for the name of Godrej company, a household name for quality and variety of the product. When the creative messages is so dramatic and that most people will react to it, retain messages after only the first exposure. For example, when a famous film star is promoting a product, or when the message is unique, eye catching, and attention getter, then reach becomes more important than the frequency. Next is frequency. Frequency is average or number of times in gift period that which then each person has been exposed among the target audience by the brand's advertising. If the messages reach the audience by the brands and advertising, if the messages reaches the audience with just one, is the enough to influence their buying, or should you should they be exposed message more the ones, or other order to reinforce the messages? If so, then the how many times should a household to be exposed to some messages and same message? Thus frequency refers to the numbers of exposure to some message that each household especially sorry supposedly are received. Since the frequency may differ for different and gets a household, and event frequency is calculated for the calculated by the these formula, like you can notice total exposure for all household divided by reach. If the total number of exposure is 400 and the reach is 50, then the average frequency is 8. That means the this means that the average household is exposed to the same message 8 times. Objective of greater frequency primarily means repetition of the same message, and the objective of greater frequency is to promote interest and desire the products on a continuous basis of instead of the simple awareness. Even through the frequency is achieved at the expenses of the, it is advisable to go for frequency under the following situation, like first is when the competitor is using high frequency to reach the same segment of the market. For example, in case of soap and detergent commercial, a competitor had competitor as distinctive age. If he continuously reinforces the quality of utility for his product in the customer's minds by repeated advertisement, this offensive can only by countered by frequency advertiser and rather than reach. When uh, when a reaction is desired within a limited time of period. For example, a sale on just 1 week for the necessity, uh, advertising the same messages on the radio, TV, repeatedly in the daily newspapers and everyday. It is repeatedly prints and print repeatedly goes on air and telecast. Continuous repetition of these messages includes the warning on sales and of the Friday, and repeatedly this message is gone out on this Friday, on Friday, provide a sense of urgency. Similarly, the messages accompanied by the first come and first served, uh, and would excite more in the immediate sales of given products. Did you notice there is some there is some happening, there is some sale is happening and it's outside of town, and we'll go. There is already mentioned, there is a big poster and mentioned this is the last day, today is the last day for this sale, 20% off, 100% flat, 100% off, flat 80% off. सो द अमाउंट जो होगा उसके बेसिस पे वो लोग आपको डिस्काउंट दे, उसके बेसिस पे एडवर्टाइजिंग बहुत अच्छे से हो जाती है. इफ़ द प्रोडक्ट और ब्रांड इज़ नॉट एज sufficiently sufficiently from the products and the brands of competitor. For example, distinctive brands and Maruti Premier can does not necessarily require a greater frequency, but a specific brands of soap toothpaste that does not have any disgusting characteristic that requires a greater frequency. So these are the media, these are the reach, frequency and continuity in media planning. And our last topic is continuity. The message should lead continuously to potential household a long period of absence of the advertising. This is lack of exposure will jeopardize the advertiser investment of the film. It is necessary to have a continuous program of advertising when customers continue to hear about the product and company at the time of need. Continuity has a cumulative effect of advertising on the customers. Continuity refers to the length of the time with advertising runs, for whether it is periodic. Check your like. In the next video, we will learn zipping and zapping. What is zipping and zapping? So today, what we learned media planning is an exercise to find and best medium to produce a overall effect related to advertised brand. Discuss. ठीक है? This is the question. Second is Explain the following vehicle and evaluations: coverage, reach, timing. Define the following terms like media buying, media mix, continuity, reach, frequency. These are the topics what we learned today. In the next video, we will learn zipping and zapping. Before ending this video, I will tell you what is zipping. We can trace the zipping and zapping to the era of VCRs and remote controls. Each of each of these devices brought change not only in a TV viewing habit, but also led to a proliferation in the number of TV channels. When VCRs launched, they also introduced time shifting viewing pattern of the remote control, helped evolve TV viewing beyond thing. By the 1960, by the 90s, TV sets were cheap enough to afford more than one per household. With then that it is also brought about the beginning of the different channels that created to more varied taste. The remote control made it's easier to wear to zap through the commercial, and viewers could now change the channels so during the commercial, thereby avoiding ads. Some experts argue an avoidance was in existence even before the remote. People would leave to the room during the commercial break. DVRs also cause their similar concerns. How if attentive and are non-viewers to the ads, at all, if at all. But time shifting helps find a few audience, as well as people who otherwise would have missed the show. VCRs gave viewers more control, and so do DVRs then, that have helped viewers watch more and programming they like. They are therefore more likely to be engaged, hence more willing to pay attention. However, we are still not addressing the problem of the ad avoidance behavior. This is the called zapping and zipping. We will continue this topic. I'll already told you about what mean of zipping and zapping. So let's end this video. We'll continue this topic in the next video. Thank you.